welcome to Fintech Finance News. Thank you for being here. Can you please start by introducing yourself and your company?
Sure. So my name is Mario De Lecce, and I run our financial institutions sales vertical for us here at Array. It's one of 4 verticals currently within the business. I myself am a former technology corporate investment banker, and our CEO and founder was my customer in his previous business. And his previous business was actually a direct-to-consumer version of what Array is. So we spun out of that. So what is Array? Array is an embeddable software platform. We provide an array of products and services that do credit, financial management, and privacy. So the problem that we're solving is there's a bunch of fintech disruptors in the market currently, and they're trying to take financial institutions' customers and members and pull them outside of their experiences to oftentimes cross-sell them some other financial institutions' products. So we're giving those financial institutions back the capability to retain their clients, drive financial health and wellness, and drive ROI.
Okay, and today you have an announcement in partnership with FICO.
That's right. So we're in one of our product segments, which is the credit monitoring segment. We're a data aggregator. We sit above all of the bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and we aggregate and standardize their data into an open API. So what we did was we added a fourth partner, FICO. So for a consumer insights tool, when a financial institution is using Experian or FICO or Equifax and FICO to decision off of, we wanted to provide a consumer insights tool that matched that experience. So now we have that capability.
Very exciting. And so you have an array of fintech services. What is the advantage of offering an array of services in that sense?
No, it's a good question. Thank you for asking. Ultimately, I think when financial institutions partner with fintechs, one of the benefits is that each time they partner with a fintech, they have to go through a lengthy vendor due diligence process, which as a point solution can be very cumbersome for a financial institution. So by providing an array of products and services, we allow our financial institutions to pick and choose the different pieces of services that they want so they can have a more holistic offering from one specific vendor.
And how is the financial industry and the fintech industry transforming itself at the moment thanks to digital innovation? What are the trends that you're seeing?
Well, one of the main trends I think is the connective tissue. So there's a lot of different players that are in the market. One of my favorite friends is Charles Potts from the ICBA, and he always says that there's like 50,000 fintechs that are banging on the doors of financial institutions to partner with them. And I think the main thing that's happening in the market right now is the fintechs are figuring out how to work together to create a more holistic, singular offering so it's easier for the financial institution to partner with them to deploy their services.
Yes, can you expand on that? Do you feel like there is more collaboration now between the bigger banks and the up-and-coming fintechs here in North America?
Absolutely, yeah. So I think previously the theme was how do the fintechs disrupt the financial institution service industry? And if you think about it, the financial institutions industry is really one of the last bastions of undisrupted, relatively speaking, industries in the United States, and it's just because there's such a heavily regulated industry. And so the fintechs finally figured out that these financial institutions, they have all the customers already. How about we just partner with them, give them the products and services that they need, instead of trying to pull them out of their financial institutions to give them the services in some other new direct-to-consumer model. So the wind's really behind our backs from that perspective.
That's great. And we're here at a Fintech Meetup. How are you finding the event and this new format?
I love it. Fantastic. And this is our 3rd year, so obviously the first 2 years was a digital format.
Yes.
And I liked that format because it was 15-minute meetings in Zoom in the comfort of your home, and it was really productive. We found some great meetings from that. But you can't take away the power of actually meeting somebody in person. At the end of the day, these are incestuous communities. People want to work with people they want to work with, and so being able to sit face to face with someone and create those relationships, even if it's short, I think is going to really show a lot of benefits for us in the near term.
And looking ahead, what's next for Array? You just talked about your announcement, but do you have any upcoming projects or product or partnerships you can share?
So in the financial institution space, we live in mobile and online banking. And so we continue to partner with a bunch of different digital banking platforms. So the FISs of the world, the Jack Henrys, the Q2s, the Alchemies, we'll continue to do that so that we can broadly cover the entirety of the financial institutions market. That's a major priority for us because we want to make it easy for our financial institutions to deploy our technology.
Okay, well that sounds very promising and very exciting. Thank you very much for your time.
Leah, thank you so much for having me. Really appreciate it.